In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app with Lovable. Lovable is an AI-powered builder that turns a plain language description into a working web app, so you can go from idea to something you can click on in minutes. I'll walk you through the exact flow, add tips to get a great first result, and keep everything simple and clear. Start by heading to the Lovable Home dashboard. This is your main workspace, where existing projects live and where you'll kick off a new one. On this page, look for the option labeled Ask Lovable. That's the creator panel that takes your idea and generates the initial app for you. Click Ask Lovable to open the prompt box. In that box, type a clear, outcome-focused description of what you want to build. Think in terms of user goals and core features. For example, see a simple task tracker with categories, due dates, and a dashboard, or a recipe catalog with search, tags, and favorites. Be specific about the essential screens, the data you want to capture, and any key actions users should be able to take. Keep it concise, avoid personal or sensitive information, and focus on what success should look like when someone uses your app. When your description looks good, submit it. You can press enter on your keyboard or use the on-screen button to send the request. That's your green light for Lovable to start building. Now, let Lovable do the heavy lifting. You'll see a new project space open and begin to populate. During this loading phase, Lovable assembles pages, components, and initial data models based on your prompt. This can take a short moment, so give it time to complete. If the interface updates or flickers, that's normal. Just wait until the preview settles and becomes interactive. Once the project loads, take a quick look around to confirm the structure matches your intent. Check that the main screen's navigation and basic flows align with what you asked for. If something small looks off, don't worry. Minor prompt tweaks later can produce big improvements. When you're ready to share or move beyond the editor, publish the app. Click Publish in the project view. Lovable will package your project and deploy it. After a brief build, you'll get a live link you can open in a new tab and share with stakeholders or testers. That's the complete flow. Start on the dashboard, use Ask Lovable, describe your idea, submit and wait for the build, then publish. Follow these steps and you'll have a functional web app up and running in no time. Thanks for watching and happy building.